Still, the macro-enabled Excel book requires you to copy data from the newly downloaded data set to this monthly tab in this macro-enabled Excel workbook for it to work. To avoid this problem, we can make these macros available across all Excel files. To do this, we created Semantic Clean Data add-in. Open your browser, go to our GitHub repository. You can use this icon to download the add-in file. We have already saved it in Semantic Academy folder. We don't have to do it again. To use this add-in, we can open any Excel file. For example, we want to start by cleaning the World Bank data. We open the World Bank data. Let us delete all. After opening the Excel workbook, we go to File, Options, Add-ins, Excel Add-ins. We can see that our add-in is not available here. We need to browse. This is the default add-in folder by Excel. If our add-in file was saved here, we will see it in the previous list of add-ins. However, because our add-in is in Semantic Academy folder, we go to Semantic Academy, Applied Econometrics. This is our Excel add-in. We click on it, click OK. It is now available in the list. We make sure that we check the box beside it and click OK. All the macros are now available in our Excel workbook, but we cannot see it from the macros list. None of the macros is available now. To use the macros imported through our add-in, we need to go to File, Options, Customize a ribbon. From this drop-down menu, we choose Macros. We now have all the macros available here. Then we need to add a tab, New tab. Let's rename the new tab to Semantic. Okay. Group 1, let us rename it to IMF. We choose an icon. Let us add another group, that is World Bank. Let us rename it to WV. Let us choose another icon for the World Bank. We click on the IMF group. We add the IMF macros. Click on it, go to add. We are now adding the macros. Add the monthly series. We then add the quarterly series. We click on the next group, which is WB. We also add the WB cross section, WB panel, WB time series. We may decide to give them different icons. For example, IMF, click on rename, use this icon. Okay, another icon, or use the same icon for IMF. We use another icon for World Bank. Rename. We then click OK to close this window. We now have a new tab, Semantic, with our macros available for us to choose. If our current workbook is data from the World Bank database, we can use this World Bank group. For example, we want to create the World Bank cross section. We click on this icon. We enter the year 1990, for example. Click OK. Processing cross-section data completed successfully. We check our cross-section data. We have it here, the same as our previous way when we use macro. We go back to data. We click on time series icon. Processing time series data completed successfully. We check we have all the data set for each country now created. We can also create the panel data by clicking on this icon, WB panel. We have completed processing the panel data successfully. We click OK. We check our panel data. We now have our panel data. We can close this to see if we can use the same format for International Monetary Fund data. Close. We may decide not to save because we now have all the macros available across all Excel files. Let us open our IMF data. We now have the monthly tab. We go to our Semantic tab. Since we are dealing with IMF, we use this group. If you want to create annual series, we click on this icon. We now have our annual series created. If we want to create monthly series, we go to monthly tab. We click on this icon, which has the monthly series. We now have our monthly series created. We will see that the dates are in month. We'll go back to the monthly tab. If you want to create the quarterly series, we click on this icon, quarterly. We now have our quarterly series because our date is in quarters. The advantage of this second procedure is that this Semantic tab will be available across all your Excel files. it is less time consuming, and it minimizes the chances of making mistakes. Please don't forget to subscribe to Smarty Academy to stay updated. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening. We'll see you in our next video. We welcome any comments that can improve the services of Smarty Academy. Remember that together we can do anything. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on